Hey, DJ Mikey Mike and Direct Sound, and we are doing it from scratch with SweetLight. I got a new SweetLight remote controller, and I was having problems with the driver issues, and I also have a D512 controller. Now I'm having the same problems with the driver. I was able to update the driver in the remote unit, and it works great. So thanks to Eric at SweetLight and lighting control, great, got it to work, no problem. I was just doing the driver update incorrectly, so I want to go over that real quick with you. So what I did is I downloaded the new drivers. Actually, I think they're their old drivers, so they had a corrupt driver set on the website. Now they know they have the problem fixed, so they got the drivers set up. I got an email with the driver, so I downloaded them to my desktop, and then I unzipped the folder and I put the drivers on my desktop. So then I had this driver folder here. What I did is I went to my computer, to the C drive, program files, to SweetLight. I have a SweetLight 5.2, and I also have SweetLight 6.0. So I went to both, opened up the folder, and then I replaced the drivers. I took these drivers out and I replaced them with the new driver folder. Threw the other driver folder away. Then what you have to do is go to my computer. Now I'm using Vista. It might be a little bit different for your other operating systems, but this is for Vista. I right-clicked on my computer and went to Manage. And I went to Device Manager. And I went to USB controllers. And now here is the interface for the 512. Now, what I was doing is I was just uninstalling the driver before, and I hit OK. Well, what that did was it still mapped to the same drivers for some reason, or it had it in the background. So I had to click this little button, delete driver for software device, and hit OK. And then it, I scanned for, back down here. Scanned for hardware changes, and now it's searching for the new updated driver. And there's the device found. It didn't find the updated driver. So now what I can do is I can right click and update the driver software, and I can browse my computer for the correct drivers folder. So what I did is I went to SweetLight and mapped down to the new drivers folder, and then I clicked on the operating system for myself for the 32-bit. That's what I'm using. If you're using 64-bit, there is actually a fix coming out for the 64-bit computer, guys, so you won't have that warning error type thing anymore. So stay tuned for that. I don't know if I'll be able to show that to you because I don't have a 64-bit computer, but there'll be a tutorial on that, so stick around for that. Okay, and then I hit OK, and then next, and then it gave me the warning errors. I installed the driver, and it does its little thing here, and then it should say drivers installed successfully. As soon as it does that, we are good to go. Come on, find the driver. Oh, there we go. Your driver's updated successfully. Very good. Awesome. Love it. Okay, and now in the device manager, it is under the USB controllers now. So this device should work correctly. I'm going to X out of this and open SweetLight version 6. I got so many controllers up there. And now it shows you in the box area right here, it says one universe found D512. Before it didn't say anything, so it didn't recognize the box at all. So if you're having a problem, make sure if you don't see your controller here, it should say SSA or D512 or remote. It'll tell you what your box is. So if you don't see that, it's not talking to the box. So you need to make sure you do that. Okay, so it found the remote, it found the driver. We're going to open up the editor, and I'm going to go to my hotkey with my par cans, turn on my DMX, and I'm going to turn up the dimmer and green, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but we'll try to get you going here. Here's my light, and there it goes. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know if you can or not, but it's actually working. Okay, so now my remote box. Now my remote box is working with 6.0, and I'm not quite sure if it works with 5.2 or not, but I'll give that a try a little bit later. I'm not sure if it's supposed to, but I'll double check. So this is DJ Mikey Mike with Direct Sound, showing you how to do a driver update for SweetLight. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more SweetLight tutorials. Great stuff coming out. We have some great new product, a lot of fun stuff. So thanks to the guys at SweetLight and Eric. I really appreciate all you've done. You guys have a great week. All right, peace.